and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing another installment of my Stop, Drop, Shop series. And just as a reminder, this is not me telling you to go out and buy this stuff. This is simply makeup that I really want. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this. I found a lot of these items on the Instagram Indie Mood. So I will have their Instagram link down below. And if you guys have not checked out Indie Mood, you should, because they'll introduce you to a whole heap of brands you've never even heard of. And I absolutely love it. So let's get into this. Let's talk about some things. The first brand we're going to talk about is Blush Tribe. You guys know I love Blush Tribe. I have slowly become addicted to Blush Tribe, and at some point I'm going to own every single palette that they create. It's a problem. They are a brand I'm definitely collecting palettes from, and I'm not ashamed. I'm actually kind of proud of it. So yeah. So the product from Blush Tribe I want to talk about is the collab with Paulina Beauty here on YouTube. I am so excited about this. It is £21.99. I don't know how to say things with British pounds. Yeah. Anyway, $21.99 in British pounds, which is going to be around $30 US, I believe, if I calculated that right in my head. Probably not. So don't take my price quote as gospel. But this palette is so pretty, and I love the way Paulina uses color. And so when I saw this palette, I was immediately drawn to it, and I am really wanting to get this palette into my collection. So when it drops on December 1st for pre-order, you better bet your butt I'm doing it. You better bet it. You better bet your butt. That's my favorite thing to say lately. You better bet your butt. It's just fun to say. But yes, I will definitely be picking that one up. I mean, I already kind of talked about this in another video, but it will be a palette that I will own because I absolutely love Paulina Beauty and I absolutely love Blush Tribe, and the combination of the two collaborating and making this beautiful palette, I'm super excited about it. The next item comes from Lanabeauty. It's their 80s collection. We're going to take a moment and have a moment of sadness. Okay. Because they don't ship to the US and I really want this. I want it so bad. They're an Australian-based brand and they do not ship this to the US. Oh, I want it. Can you guys ship to the US, please? Okay. I'm done being a whiny American. But I really do like this, and I think it is really cool that more brands are getting into neons, especially neon loose pigments, because I need those in my life. Every time I see some, I'm like, I want them, but it never works out financially for me to pick them up, or I've already decided to pick up a palette instead of a loose pigment. But these are beautiful. So if you guys live in Australia, I recommend picking them up and telling me how they are, because I just want to be jealous of you guys. The next brand that we're going to talk about is OMFG Cosmetics, and the first place I saw this palette actually talked about was Dolly Mama Beauty, and then Annette's Makeup Corner started talking about this palette, and I just love it. It's 6 shimmers, 6 mattes, and I just love the vibe of this palette. They're describing it as a fall palette with a twist, which I can see how it's a fall palette with a twist. I really do like the color story in this, and I find it very unique to everything else I own in my collection, and just the shades and the hues of some of the colors I'm really drawn to. So this will definitely be something I pick up. And from what I heard from Annette's Beauty Corner, they're releasing 6 palettes total, and if they're all like this palette, you guys, my wallet's gonna cry. My wallet's gonna cry. My wallet's going to disown me. My wallet's gonna run away. So many things are gonna happen to my wallet because it will be empty and hungry. No money for you. The next brand I'm going to talk about is Rising Phoenix Cosmetics. If you guys have been with me a while, you know that I have reviewed some of Rising Phoenix Cosmetics makeup and eyeshadows in the past. I absolutely do love their eyeshadows. They were kind enough to send me some a while back, and ever since then I have wanted to try more, and I might just pick up either their Greek Monsters eyeshadow palette or their Greek Gods and Goddesses palette. I can honestly tell you I am more attracted to the Greek Gods and Goddesses palette than I am the Greek Monsters palette. And I think it's just the shades of the Greek Gods and Goddesses that kind of draws me in, but I would be happy to own either of them. And at some point I will be picking up one of these palettes. I just need to figure out when I can pick things up right now. Things are just a little crazy, and I went through and bought so much makeup that I'm behind in reviewing things. I'm behind in playing with things and using things. So I'm just trying to catch up and not leave myself under a stack of makeup, which might happen. That's how I'm going to die. I'm going to have so many eyeshadow palettes that are going to fall on me. And the final brand we're going to talk about is Misfit Beauty Brains and Beauty Palette, which is $37 USD. It's sold out, you guys, but I still want it. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I also love the art on the packaging. I love the shades. I'm just like, I want to try you. And as you guys know, I am somebody who is definitely drawn to indie brands. All of these are indie brands. I will have them all linked down below just so you guys can go check out the amazingness of each of these brands. But I would definitely try that Brains and Beauty palette because it's just pretty and the colors are gorgeous. And can you guys tell that I'm drawn to like bright colors right now? I know it's weird. It's fall. I shouldn't be, but I'm like, yes, put the neon on me. Put the bright shades. I just want everything. But I usually don't necessarily always wear seasonal appropriate makeup. Right now I would say I'm seasonally appropriate, but sometimes I'm not. Sometimes I'm like, yes, neon yellow on my face, orange lipstick. I have waves and just mood shifts, and I just kind of go with what I like. So yeah, have you guys tried any of these brands? You'll have to let me know down below. Which ones should I try and pick up first? Leave that in the comments because I want your opinions too. I want to know what you want to see here on my channel. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you would like to chat, leave a comment down below. Thanks again and bye!